and the skill of the pilot, that being Andrew Wright in the G202. He'll continue to hold the aircraft while backing it up. This maneuver allowed one of our pilots in the U.S. to bring home the title of World Aerobatic Champion. All right, smoke goes off as promised. He's going to disappear. He's also got a magic act in the air. Still coming backward. You hear that rocket engine gyrating. They don't like that. Then rolling on the descending line. Folks, that is a short roll. Give Andrew Wright a big round of applause, as without hesitation, the brutal work of a high G environment, folks, that hurts. Look at this end over end tumble. Super Cubanate is what that is called. Now, if this wasn't grueling or punishing enough, he is going to be coming back in for a negative G or outside micro loop. Watch this, into a negative G, tiny little donut hole in the sky. Look how small the inside of that loop is. It's all done in the negative G environment. You can see the airplane funky. It just says, I'm going to go through there. It's a balancing act. It's delicate, and the airplane says, no, I don't.